Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back while I am waiting for my next video to upload. We're going to do fifth bag of my Lego Mario set. So, here it is. The big bad boy itself. Oh yeah. So, let's get started. I'll do it. I was looking for my scissors. Just looking for my scissors. We'll need them to open it. Alright. I think we are ready to go. Now again, stay tuned for the next part because I'm going to show you how we're going to set up my first ever part of this course, and then stay tuned for the next part, which will do the next set I'm going to be doing. So that's what we're going to do. Alright, so we're going to make, looks like we need Bowser Jr. now. Alright, so I'm guessing that piece is probably in this bag somewhere. Yep, that's where it's at. Okay. So yeah, that's what we're making this Bowser Jr. right now. Let go of my finger. Thank you. Yeah, my scissors do that sometimes. Like, keep a hold of my finger. Alright, so we're going to set it in the middle, looks like. Alright. And then it looks like we need a long... Well, I can find it here. And long white pieces. Got two buttons in the middle. There it is. That looks like got it. Alright. Oops. No? Oh yeah, okay. So we need to have it facing outwards, it looks like. Alright. Okay, so now we need the blue ones with the two pieces on it. And I'm guessing that goes behind. Like so. And then there's another gray one. I can find it here. Oops. Don't want to lose that. Might need it later. Alright. Place that one on top like that. And then we place two yellow. Now, are these? No, they're solids, aren't they? Yep, they're solids. Okay, so we need solids for this. So one solid here. And one solid there. Alright. Okay, cool. And I'm guessing I bet you this is for his arms. I bet you. Guarantee this is for his arms. Alright. Yep, and I bet you the arms, well, if I can find them, are in here. Yep, alright. Cool. Aha! Yeah, I can't do a Bowser Jr. Aha! Voice. I just can't. You know? I mean, I've tried. Time and time again. Let's see it. Well, I could do Bowser's voice, so... Roar! Kinda. Roar. Mario. Yeah, kinda. I kinda can do Bowser's voice. Yeah, that's kinda hard. Mario. Mario. Yeah, my Bowser voice is kinda Right. Oh, speaking of that, if we're gonna ask, I'm thinking about maybe getting Bowser stuff, but I don't know yet. It's kind of expensive, and it's kind of big, so I don't know. We'll see. All right, so anyway, okay, cool. Okay, this one goes here. Okay. No. Uh-oh. I didn't get it out of that one, did I? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Okay. Ha! It's coming together, ladies and gents. Alright. And then... It looks like... Are those... Oh. Those are his ears, it looks like. Okay. Alright. Oh. David, you're supposed to put those on the outside, silly. I will correct that here in just a second. As soon as I can get this stuff back in the bag. I don't want to lose it because, one, I got a cat, and two, well, I got a cat, you know? And if you guys have watched ABTN, you need to keep your cat away from these things. They are quite the curious little creatures, and my cat is especially curious about this stuff. Alright, so this one goes... I guess it really don't matter where it goes. Well, okay. If all our sales is to do that. Where'd my bag go? Where'd the bag go? Oh, there it is. Alright. Well, I hope I didn't just misplace it. Because I can't do the rest of this if I don't have the rest of the bags. Just can't. You know? I have to have the rest of the bag. Okay. Just have to have it. Squid. No, it's the way to lose pieces, but screw it. Okay. Alright. Okay. I think if I do that, it should be easier to get them out of there. Alright. So we need 2 green pieces. They look like feet. And then 1 more piece is going to go in the middle. I mean, I might do the next set tomorrow. I don't know yet. Uh-oh. There it is. Definitely don't want to lose those. Alright. It's So I'm thinking the reason, I think that was the piece that came out of that bag. So, alright. Oh. The little pyramid pieces. Alright. Okay. Get them out of there. Alright, and I'm guessing these are spikes. I bet some right. And then uh-oh. Oh, for crying out loud. Hang on, guys. Alright, so. Oh, we also need the last piece in the middle. Like, I gotta be careful. I do not want to lose any of these pieces. So, I'm not going to show you guys how I'm going to build it. I am, however, going to show you guys when I'm done building it. So, because I'm going to keep it a secret. Yeah. So that way you guys can give me like, oh my gosh, this looks awesome. Alright, so I'll need his face now. If I can find it. There it is. There's his face. God! You know, dude, if you don't want to go on, just say so. There. Alright. And then alright. Nope. Thank you. Okay, so we got that done. Okay, so now we need... Okay, that's to the bottom. And the top of it. And now it needs face. Like so. And then here's his bib. Where's the bib? Where's the bib? There it is. Or his mask, I should say. That's his mask. Alright, and there we go. And I'm guessing now the next site we're going to do is for... I'm right. Nope. Not gonna lose any of my stuff now. And then I need to... Well, I can find it. There it is. Oh, it'll come out there. Alright. And yeah, guys, the next part after I get done here is after I get done with Bowser's Gear is I'm gonna put together the entire stuff I'm gonna do, and then oh, I know where it's at. Okay. Alright, and then okay, so now we need the other piece. Yeah, once we get down to Bowser Jr. and his castle, we will hopefully There it is. Okay. Alright. Okay. And then it looks like this goes in here. Alright. And it goes on there. Perfect. So I'm guessing that's when you put them down. And there we go. Okay, guys, I'm going to be right back. I got to go check on something. I'm doing my laundry right now. But when I come back, we will do the next part. So I'll be right back. But it'll be a few seconds for you guys. Alright, guys, I'm back. So, now let's move on to the main course. So, this is okay, so we need a green one. Then we need tall brown ones. 4 of them to be exact. 1, 2, oh, hang on. Put them in the one place here. 3. And a 4. Mamma mia. Okay. So that we got done. And then it looks like... Is this it? Yep, that's it. That's what I'm looking for. Alright. And then we need the bricks for them. So 1 and a 2 and a 3. They go on the outside edge. And a 4. Like so. Alright. And then we're going to need, don't you dare fall, all of these to finish it up. I guess it'd be he's going he's going to sit in the middle of that. I don't know though. I might be wrong. I might be wrong. So we're going about to find out here in a minute. Alright. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we're done. I think there's one more part though. We'll see. Yep, there's one more part. Okay. Looks like there's lava. Okay, so there's lava. There's the lava right there. Yep. So, I'm guessing this is the lava. And we're going to need a big green thing. It looks like we need... Do we have a black one? you even think about it. Okay, good. Alright. Then we place this one. I guess it really doesn't matter where you place it, as long as it's on the... No! You spill, I swear, I'm gonna... Alright, so we need to feed that through there. Okay, and then we need to place one right here. And, uh-oh. Oh, here we go. And right there, here. Right. Okay. And then the great part goes on like so. Right. And then okay, I'm guessing this is the drawbridge. I'm just guessing. Kind of like, you know, how Mario gets into the castle. Okay, so. Uh-oh. Okay, we'll place these on first. It's gotta be in here somewhere. That's weird. Well, oh, there it is. Found it. I found it. Wait. Okay, hang on. I did something wrong. I'll be right back. Alright, so I had that part, this part here, a little further forward. It needs to be a little backwards. So, a little bit backward from the thing. Oh, hang on. Now I have the thing. Okay, now we got it right. Okay, so now we need one round piece. One round pieces. And there it is, I think. Alright. Okay. Alright. We're almost there, ladies and gents. We got one more piece left to go. I think. Okay, so... Okay. Okay, there's one. And then there's two. Then I'm guessing there's one. Yeah, I got enough time, I think. Okay. Alright, ladies and gents. So I missed something. I think we're good. I'll look through it real quick and I'll be right back. I did miss the one part, so hang on just a second, guys. Hold on. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna do this now, and then I think we're ready to start. So when I get ready here, I will start making my course, and then I'll be back. And again, like I said, I am not gonna show you guys how I'm gonna build it because it's gonna be a secret. Hope you guys enjoy it because it's gonna be pretty epic. Oh wait. Oops. That's the wrong play. That's the wrong one. Okay, so we need to have this one. Almost put the wrong one on the wrong thing. That would have been silly. Good news is that these pieces, once I get them on, they are actually easier to get off. So, alright. Okay. Place it on top, like so, if I can here. Because I know that's what you gotta do. And then we gotta place some bricks on there again. Alright, like so. Now I'm gonna turn some lights on, so it's gonna be a little brighter when I start this part of the thing. So, yeah. I think you guys are gonna enjoy it. And now for this part. Alright. Alright. If I'm correct, this should be it, ladies and gents. I think we're done. I know we're done after this. There's not a whole lot left to do. Except build. Because we're going to build the other one late in here in a little bit. Maybe tomorrow we'll see. I'll see if we want to do that or not. Alright, ladies and gents, I think that is it for that. I think we built it all. Alright, I think we are good to go here. I hope you guys enjoy me putting this together. Doing that, so. Let's see if I'm right. Alright guys, that's it. So when I come back, I'm gonna go make my course. I'm gonna come back. And I'll see you guys on the next video. And you never know, you guys will enjoy it, I can guarantee you.